Welcome, a really warm welcome. It's Michael Beale, Richard Bandler NLP trainer, Marshall Goldsmith, Stakeholder Center coach. In this video, I'm going to be introducing a free seduction workshop being run by my colleague, Joe Meyer. And Joe is really good at this topic. I've seen him in action and I thoroughly recommend the workshop. So, who is it for? The workshop is for men and women of any age who are genuinely curious and want to get better at this great topic, who want to increase their self-confidence, date more, have more meaningful relationships, and maybe add excitement to their current relationship. Well, how will you benefit if you choose to attend? Greater self-confidence, increased communication skills, increased influence, become more interesting, increase your storytelling skills, attract and keep people's attention better, and gain and improve your current relationships. So what's the content that lets us do that? Firstly, it's about developing a confident attitude and a more positive self-image. It's being clear what you want. It's what do you do at that first meeting? How do you go up and say hi? What do you do next? Then there's a piece on seduction. What do you do to move the relationship forward in the right direction? How do you keep her? How do you keep her interested? How do you keep her happy? How do you keep her sexually fulfilled? Also, Joe will be giving us an idea of what else he might offer, so anybody that wants to know more or wants to get involved in his coaching knows what's available. Thank you for listening. I very much look forward to seeing you at one of our programs. Take care.